straps himself into this 4 cubic foot office and translates the laws of gravity and motion into beauty and grace. Reliable power in all attitudes is essential. That's why Bob chose the Ellison throttle body injector. To a growing number of aerobatic professionals, the name in reliable fuel injection is Ellison. Designed as a direct replacement for fuel injectors and float carburetors, the Ellison throttle body injector has been engineered specifically for today's sophisticated breed of sport and competition aircraft. With diaphragm control, rather than a float, it can fly inverted longer than you can. The patented spray tube provides the engine with a precise ratio of fuel and air at all throttle settings. With no accelerator pump, engine acceleration is outstanding. This is a view of the butterfly in a conventional float carburetor, as it would look from inside the intake manifold. Notice how the butterfly valve deflects the fuel as it moves. That's why some cylinders run rich and others lean. Fuel enters the manifold in large droplets that result in poor fuel distribution, poor combustion efficiency, and cause the engine to lose power. This view shows the same manifold view of the Ellison throttle body injector. Notice how finely the fuel is atomized and how movement of the throttle slide has absolutely no effect on fuel discharge pattern. Improved mixing of fuel and air means your engine will run smoothly on less fuel. With many new aircraft appearing on the scene, the performance claims of designers and builders are tested each year at the CAFE 400 efficiency competition. The most efficient aircraft is determined by a formula combining speed, fuel consumption, and payload. With such great importance being placed on fuel economy, the Ellison throttle body injector has become the choice of champions. In the highly competitive two-seat experimental category, for 3 years in a row, Ellison-equipped aircraft have finished first. And in 1988, it was a clean sweep, finishing first, second, and third. Designed specifically for aircraft, Ellison injectors are manufactured to exacting tolerances using sophisticated computer-controlled technology. Critical dimensions are checked after each operation and checked again by an independent quality control inspector. This and several other features make the Ellison throttle body injector especially well suited for use by the military on these remotely piloted vehicles. The Sky Eye RPV, built by Developmental Sciences, a division of Lear Siegler, uses a Continental rotary engine equipped with an Ellison EFS2. Only the throttle body injector, with its unique control system, was able to function normally during the 8G launch. When atmospheric conditions such as cool temperatures and visible moisture are present, carburetor ice could ruin your whole day. It is a problem with any carburetor. This is due to the refrigerative effect of fuel evaporating inside the throat. Moisture condenses on any obstacle downstream of the discharge nozzle and promptly freezes. The throttle plate of a conventional carburetor is the most likely place for ice to form, as can be seen here. The Ellison system, on the other hand, has no obstacles downstream, reducing the probability of large ice accumulations. As you can see here, small amounts of ice can form on the slide, but are usually cleaned off by opening the throttle. It is always possible, however, for ice to form in the manifold. For this reason, a functional induction heating system must be a part of any throttle body injector installation. An important ingredient in the reliability of the Ellison throttle body injector is its simplicity. A typical fuel injector or pressure carburetor has numerous diaphragms, a myriad of springs, umpteen levers, a zillion screws, a host of seals and gaskets, and 5 miles of safety wire to tie it all together. It has an idle circuit, an acceleration circuit, an economizer circuit, a run circuit, a power enrichment circuit, and an idle cutoff mechanism. The Ellison throttle body injector, designed with simplicity in mind, accomplishes the same job with just an idle adjustment screw and the carefully designed fuel metering tube. The newest model in the Ellison line of fuel systems is the EFS-10. With a Venturi bore of 2 1/2 inches, the EFS-10 can handle the airflow requirements of Lycoming's largest 6-cylinder engine and even the 450 horsepower Pratt & Whitney R985. At half the weight of the Bendix RS-10 injector, the Ellison EFS-10 is a compact, lightweight, and economical alternative. In some installations, carburetor cowling clearance can present a challenge in designing a compact induction flow path. Ellison has designed a new cover plate casting which accommodates a low-profile fiberglass airbox. Builders can clean up the lower cowl line while benefiting from improved ram recovery. A large number of aircraft designers, builders, and aerobatic professionals have switched to the Ellison system for its reliability, simplicity, durability, and economy. Ask the man who owns one, professional or amateur. The Ellison throttle body injector assures outstanding engine performance.